Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT black on black leather interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. So let's have a look. So decent sized trunk on the convertible here, and we'll flip this up. We've got a storage compartment down here and another one over on this side here as well. It's also got the netting so you can place some items inside. With the top down, the partition is in place, but if you put the top up, this piece here will fold down to give you some more space ahead. So we'll go ahead and close the trunk and have a look from the back. Very nice looking car, very sharp. It's got the circular tail lights. We've got the quad tip or dual exhaust tips there, so that looks great with the reverse lights down on the bottom. Just swing around to this side here. There's your rear wheel. So it looks great. It's in really good shape. Nice chrome rims. We've got painted rotors, painted calipers. Looks great. So here we are at the passenger side. So on the passenger door, you've got your power window, you've got your electronic door release, you've got your power locks, you've got your Bose stereo as well. So here's your Corvette kick plate here. It's in really good condition, as you can see. And then on the passenger seat, we have power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustment, and then a manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. As you can see, it's in really good shape. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So we do have the original books, so those are there. That's perfect. And then we've got the embossed Corvette logo on the dash. And have a look at the dash while we're here. Looks great. And let's hop out and close this side up. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you. Wow. Paint's in really good shape, as you can see. We've got the little louver there on the front fender. And here's your front wheel. So again, looks great. Nice painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. So under the hood, there's your LS3 V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 430 horsepower paired to the 6-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and clean under there as well. So we'll go ahead and close the hood. And we'll have a look from the front. So there it is from the front. Looks great. We've got the nice projector HID headlights on there. We've got fog lights down below. In terms of issues, a couple minor stone chips that we've touched up. So there's one there. And a couple little guys right here. So they're probably much smaller in person than they are on the camera, but we just want to point them out to you. So we'll swing around this side. Here's your driver's front wheel, looks great. And again, those nice painted rotors and painted calipers and Michelin tires. And same thing back here. What a sharp looking car. All right, so at the driver's side, we've got 2 user memory. We've got an exit button that can be programmed. We've got power locks. We've got our power mirrors, our power windows, electronic door release. Again, that nice Bose stereo. And here's your Chevrolet kick plate. Looks great. Again, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustment, manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right. There it is. So 50,633 kilometers, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Let's see, on this side, we've got volume controls, favorite controls, track change controls. Down here, we've got fuel door release, power trunk release. There's your power top button. We've got heads-up display controls. So if I shut off the headlights for a moment, I'll let you have a look at the dash there. So there's your heads-up display speed and different items, so you can flip through the different modes that display. We'll turn those headlights back on. So those are controlled here. They are an auto headlight. And then we also have fog light control, and we've got our cruise control here on the end. We've got wiper controls over here, and then these buttons here will control the different items here. So that's great. And then down here is your push button start. We have power telescopic steering wheel, And then we've got a manual tilt. So on this side here, there's a tilt release to make the wheel go up and down. And then we have our stereo. So this has full factory navigation. So there's your navigation. We hit source. We've got AM, FM, XM, CD. So to get CD, you hit this button here, and that's where your nav, DVD, and your CD goes. Down below, you've got dual zone climate control. We've got dual heated seats. And then we've got our 6-speed manual transmission shifter with leather wrapped boot. We've got cup holders here. We've got change holder or a cigarette lighter there. We've got our traction control on and off. And then in here we do have a 12-volt socket as well. So I'll just go ahead and put the roof up so you can see the operation. There it is, and then you just have to lock it in place. So there's the lock, and I'll go ahead and put the windows up. And let's hop out. Good sounding machine. Have a look from the front with the lights on. There it is. And we'll just scan down this side for you. Wow, what a sharp car. Tail lights look great. And there's the exhaust for you. Nice chug. And I'll just let you have a peek at the condition of the top here as well. So those are just little rub marks from the top rubbing against itself. There's nothing actually there, as you can see. All convertibles have those. A little mark there, but it's okay. And outside of that, it looks great. And we'll just go around on this side here too. Same thing. I think that's just from it folding. Okay. Looks great. There you have it, folks. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.